Hello, my name is Derek and I'm part of the PNY team, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out your HDD to a brand new PNY SSD. Depending on your computer, the location of the HDD and disassembly may vary. In today's video, we'll be upgrading a laptop. Be sure your computer is unplugged and powered off. Remove the battery and back panel and locate the hard drive. Unscrew the hard drive enclosure, remove it from your laptop, and unscrew the hard drive from the enclosure. Grab your PNY SSD and screw it into the enclosure using the same screws. Make sure your SSD is installed the same way your HDD was so the SATA ports line up with your laptop. Install the SSD in the same spot and secure it by tightening down the screws. Once this is completed, reinstall the back panel and battery, then power your laptop on. With your new PNY SSD installed, you'll notice faster boot times and overall better performance. We hope this video helped you out, and thank you for choosing PNY.